Hello friends, so in this video we will learn how to create a salary slip in Excel. So to create a salary slip we need to create a format of the salary slip first, and then we have to put the data inside that salary slip. We already have created our attendance sheet in sheet 1, and according to that we will put our data in the salary slip. To create the salary slip we have to create its format first. So first of all we will put a name here, like we will put the name of the company, like I will take ABC Limited. Then I will go here and just select all these cells till G and press merge. Then I will press bold button. Then I increase this size to somewhere around 18. So this is name of our company. I just make it a little bit more till here, and this is our name of the company. Then I will put address here. After putting address, I just merge this also till this area and keep it on the left side, and here I will write the address of the company. You can write any address. Next thing what I will do, I will write here salary slip. After this I will put I will just drag it till this area, and from this border I will take thick outside border, so we have a border in the salary slip. Then I will select this, and from the border I will take thick bottom border. So I have an order border here also, and here also I will take a thick bottom border. So we are creating a salary slip. You can put it in center also. Now here I will write a salary slip, then I will bold it, just select it, merge to center, and a border here. Now we will write the name of the employee and employee ID. First of all I will take employee ID, then I will take employee name, and this side I will take designation, and here date and month. And from here I will start some more formatting, like its earning. From here I can write in this cell earning, and just their deductions. In earning we can write like basic salary, then your HRA, conveyance. Then I will go to this side. In deductions we can write your PF, ESI, or tax, etc., whatever we need to write. So we have written this. Now I will just select this, merge and center. Similarly basic salary, merge and center, HRA, merge and center, merge and center. Then I will select this and make it merge and center. Here also merge and center. I will do it in all, so it will look more like a salary slip. Cut all these and put it here, and then I will select this, merge and center, merge and center this one, and merge and center last one. Now I will select all of them on the left side. This will be also on the left side. Now I will select all this and give all border here. You can make your own style of salary slip. I'm making my own style. Margin center, here also margin center, similarly here. Now I will select all of these and take all border. So this is a bit format of a salary slip. You can also put this in a border. So whatever we write there, that will be total here. So we will write here total earning, and then I will select this and merge till this two cells in one, and then shove this margin center and all border. Here I will write total deductions, select margin center, and this is margin center, all border and all border. And here I will write salary in hand. So whatever salary the employee will take, we will write here. I will just merge these lines together, and here merge this one and there. Here we will put signature, employee, and here I will write signature, director. Make it a little bit okay. Then I will merge this one also. So this is a type of a salary slip which we can create. Now we will just see it how it's look like inside if we will see it in a print. So from here I will go to print and just check it out how it look out. So this is our salary slip which we have created. It has our name, it has our salary slip written, employee ID, employee name, all things are given here. We can even merge this also, so that we can put and give it in this also in border there also. We can also select this and merge, select this and merge, and better what I will do, I will just Control Z and I just cut it and put it here. Similarly I cut this and put it here, then I will merge them so that we can have space on the left right area also. Then merge, this one is also merge, then we will put a border here also. So we have this type of salary slip here. We will just check it out again in print. See, we got this salary slip. So it's a very much look like a salary slip. Now we have to feed some data in it. So first of all we have to put an employee ID here. For employee ID, what we will do, we will go to from here to data tab, and from data tab we will go to data validation, and from data validation we will select list, and after selecting list we will go to source, and from source we will go to our attendance sheet, and in the attendance sheet we already have a list of our employee ID. We select that and press OK. So now we have an employee ID in our salary slip. And now about the name. For name, what we can do, we can use the VLOOKUP formula. We just type VLOOKUP here, bracket open. Now we have to, what we have to find, we have to find employee ID, name through employee ID. We have to find the name through employee ID. If we click on the employee ID, then we press comma, and then we will go to our sheet 1, and next what we will do, we will select complete this sheet, shift and till the end. We select it till the end, it is till AU15. Then we will put comma and then 2, like our name is in the second row, and then comma and then 0, and we select, and we close the bracket and enter. So now we will get the name. Now we will go to sheet 1. So I have already written numbers here, like this is for 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we are going till 47. So in next part, what we need to find, we have to find the designation. To find designation is okay, like it's in the third part, but when we have to find the basic salary, so then we have to go throughout the sheet. So first of all, we have to find out the designation. We go to equal to, we look up, bracket open, then we have again select this employee ID, comma, go to sheet 1, select the complete sheet from employee ID till the end. We select it till the end. This is there till there. Then I will comma 3, comma 0 and enter. So now we have a designation here. Date we can write down manually. Earning, to find out earning and all this, first of all what I will do, I will put a formula here, equal to sum, bracket open, and we select all this earning from here, from basic salary till conveyance, and close it. So whatever earning we will make, that will be written here. Sum, here we will also write the same thing, sum from PF we will take till taxes and close it and enter. And to find out the salary in hand, we have to get the same formula, like we have to add total earning and less our total deduction to get our salary in hand. So to put the formula of basic salary, we go to here, we write down, we look up, bracket open, again we will go to the employee ID, then comma, go to sheet 1 and select the sheet throughout, from here employee ID till the end, like our basic salary is in 41, so we have to type here 41. In the 41 row we are getting our basic salary, then we'll type comma, and for exact match we have to type 0 and bracket close and enter. So we get our basic salary. Similarly we can get our HRA is in which number, I will just check it out. HRA is in 42. So what I will do, I will just copy this from here and put it here. It's not working. So what I will do, I will just drag it. I will drag this, and here we have to put C4 because our employee ID is in C4, and sheet will start from our A8 to A15. I will write that also, A8 to A15, and here I will type 42. Just enter. So we will get our HRA also. So in this way we can complete our salary sheet, and we can find out the salaries of our employees. So you can give the print, you can write down the date here. So that's all from this side for me. For more videos you can click our bell button. Thank you very much for watching.